This is my newest SwissBuck knife. SwissBuck is a collaboration between Wenger, Switzerland and Buck Knives of America. It's entirely made by Wenger in Switzerland. It's a basic Swiss Army knife with the addition of a main blade that has the clip point, which is more common in the North American knife market. The SwissBuck knives were produced in the 90s to help Wenger sell more knives in the North American market. The clip point smaller blade is common among Wenger Swiss Army knives. It has black plastic handles with ribbing, a red buck sticker on both the back and the front. This one's called the Fishtale because it has the fish tool, which is a fish scaler, fish hook disgorger, and then the notch right there on the side is called a line guide for you to grab hold of the fishing line. All the rest of the tools are regular Swiss Army made by Wenger tools. This is a cap lifter bottle opener with a flat screwdriver, and then this is the Wenger style can opener. This model happens to include a backside Phillips screwdriver instead of the corkscrew, as well as a standard awl. The keyring and keychain is common on these knives as well. This one does not come with toothpicks or tweezer slots. These, like I said, these were made in the 90s by Wenger, and this Fishtale model is kind of hard to find.